Oh wait, we played. I think with me and Ashley played a memes tournament. I think that's when you play with us, Benny.
A lot of
We played
people.
PUBG
Nope.
after.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, yeah,
I
Maybe,
think that's when it
maybe.
was.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, that was.
I was gonna say this meme tournament. I have never played any of these meme tournaments, dude.
Yeah. That was a fun fucking night actually. Played right after.
Yeah.
Shotgun.
I only know we've played because I have your volume set on
Oh, that's
slightly lower than 100 already.
She's got you at 10%.
GG, dude.
I'm down to push green.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go peek
I
down the
got it.
house.
Let's go.
Guy right here on this corner, running back. Both. If you peek with green, you knock one. That
Watch
guy.
it and knock.
Oh, that's it.
He's 1 HP. Fucking blue. I'm flush.
Oh, I'm gonna peek the tower guy for you. Touch Shane. One's in the tower south.
I'm running over.
No.
I get touch, I get touch, I get touch.
He's
Wait, I can
inside.
get him. I'm up top.
I have 5
Got
bullets, it's all good.
balls.
Okay, I got a first aid after you.
Oh, he got
yeah.
a oh my
Fucking
god.
pistol, man.
Oh
Got
my
gatted.
god.
I gave you another gun.
Just a
Thanks,
nade
bro.
dash.
Wait.
If you want. I don't know. I guess the
Team
pistol
dead.
guy on the south.
Pistol guy.
He's on the south.
There was a guy on orange earlier.
Just wanted to get that guy off you, that freak. He was flushing you in slow motion.
He was.
Oh, he's still
In this building?
He's like.
I'm by yellow.
I
Good
knocked
knockout.
one on orange.
Okay.
Smoking from the east.
Remember, I got margarita vision right now. It's not looking good.
Oh,
Yo,
Yeah,
just
I feel
on
that.
blue mark on the corner.
All on me.
Hey, we got
Mark on the corner. See in the middle.
One's in the cubby. What's coming?
Oh, I got
Yeah,
Vietnam.
one-
One
One's-
more running to orange.
One more was further back.
Might be on the outside wall.
I got the cubby guy. I'm smoking in resi.
1 HP in the gate. Oh, we got shit on.
Good challenge. Good challenge. Ash can rest.
I'm chilling. He hasn't rolled yet.
I'm psyching Ash.
Bro from that aid.
Yeah,
all dead.
I'm
Nice.
safe where I'm at. Shane.
I'll go. I got the rest. I got the rest. I'm there.
Okay, I'm gonna get
Wait, I'm
some-
trolling. Your rest is empty. That's all you guys.
Yeah, okay.
I'm trolling.
Guys, I'm
Next
important,
time,
but
dude, I
I'm
just- I
not
was
that
supposed to
important,
go for
Shane.
Have you been to Margaritaville, Shane?
Shane's been to Margaritaville.
I'm supposed to go for an hour, man. It's
Do you have a
cooking,
first aid?
obviously. No, I don't. Give me
Dang,
sevens. Can you drop me some sevens?
I got 6 bullets of it.
Close on our wall.
Oh,
Oh. Another VP in there. Nice, you're so good.
2 smokes, I guess he may be dead.
Center courtyard, like the statue.
2 active on this team.
Knocked him.
1 active.
1
no.
active. I'm just coming up to you.
Our knock's on yellow.
My knock is on blue.
he smoked her.
They're smoking from yellow. I'm gonna W from the right. Should have rest, right? On yellow? Blue?
Nading it.
Blue's
Maybe
in,
not.
blue's inning. He's running back around corner. He's right, left, around the building.
Yeah, he's left.
Nice. Forward
Huge.
up.
He's
Fuck with us.
screaming.
Come fuck with us.
You notice in the FPS drop, Shane, when you're by smokes?
No.
But just me.
That's an AMD issue.
I do just notice FPS issues in general right now. Like a lot of different instances.
I've been having some audio issues. That's been my thing.
6x here, Ash.
Which I don't usually ever complain about. But
Okay. It's fun.
it's a good job. Margarita job.
I don't know how we're 4 up, to be honest. Here's a 6x if you need it.
Chilling.
I need cheek that if you find.
Where the snipers at, man? Them stream snipers are coming, right?
Nah, Tick's not playing.
Years.
Those are just the standard VPNers.
True.
Probably get some crates. I think it already dropped though, I heard it. When I was knocked on my knees.
Oops.
You guys have gas? Ash is... Don't get behind the wheel, Ash, when you've had margaritas. Ever.
Yeah, apparently.
Who would have thought? Who would have thought drinking affects your driving in a video game too?
Yeah.
Definitely does. Shane Doe right there. The snowman.
That's right, dude. It's the mascot. I told him to put that in the game. It's the one thing they listen to. The one feedback.
The first time I saw that thing, I was like, it's Jane!
They removed the road.
I was so confused. People resin fishing.
Really? Say less.
Car behind us on the road. It's going away from us. It's a clown car, but that shit gone.
And
That's
it's
Cindy one.
The resin fishing camp.
Yeah, man.
Probably pull up on the hill.
Closed doors.
What the hell? Bro.
Danny?
It's a buggy. That's
Danny?
I think they dipped.
It's a spawn. It's a spawn.
I was down to clown car.
Always down to car.
I like my flaming stripe.
There's a guy fishing.
Where?
Like southeast.
Porter truck leaving host on right now. Blue. Doing blue line right now.
We must
Opposite.
intercept it.
That's a
Oh, I
clown
just
car.
saw it.
That's a
Yeah.
porter truck full of.
Oh,
Oh, that's
Space car.
I mean,
Oh fuck yeah.
oh,
Gonna hump it.
like one guy.
Bro's cooked.
Shit.
Look for that
yeah.
porter.
That's actually really good.
That
That was a gulagger just fucking grabbing a car, bro.
That porter went towards secret
That was a
room.
parachuter.
Yeah. That might be his team, maybe.
Secret room's open. Could be inside.
Could Should be
Wasn't
posted
open when we
backside.
passed.
It's already looted. Maybe a gas station?
I saw you guys try to play that in, I think it was groups or something.
Yeah, pretty good spot. I think we would have won from
Do
there
like,
if it
do
went
like
south.
Two on the hill, do like two on the hill, and then doing gas.
People up on yellow.
Yeah.
People in the compound.
Bolton
already.
berries.
Well,
We're on these yellow guys.
Yep, we're coming.
They shoot again. That's what happened.
I'm running out. I forgot I made him.
Oh my god, one
What
was
the
right
fuck,
under
the
you.
timing, bro. They have a bird on, by the way. Let's pick
One's
yellow.
right
Red,
and
red,
left
blue.
house.
Headshot on blue.
I headshot the guy in the left window.
Oh, you
There's one in
got.
the left house in yellow.
He's healing in the tank.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm over the right house.
Yeah, he's outside the thing. Knocked him.
Two in this right
Good
building.
knock, Ash.
Knocked.
Nice
Almost
knock.
the right building.
Inside edge.
Yeah. Outside.
Knock
Self-res,
self-res.
self-res.
Guy on me.
That's not all the flushes, there's one more.
Wait, what?
Wait, there's another.
Oh,
We're good.
yeah.
We're all dead.
How many self-reses they have?
That was a clean fucking
3. What the hell?
I'm gassing this thing up.
Like,
I need granadas.
I have 4.
Matt has 2.
You go.
1.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
You pick up.
so there's people in orange, you said?
There's people in orange. You have a whole format. I'm not to just like let them exist because they're not going anywhere. Let's go. Farm.
Someone's in the gas station now.
Oh, let's kill gas station.
Chase that school bus.
It's like high school over again, man.
Oh, it's a big fight on
Still
the
need
east compound.
smokes there, yeah.
Pretty sure there's people yellow though.
What the hell?
What if he dropped a C4 on top of us?
Yeah, there is people yellow. Oh, these are
To
down there, I think, or
oh.
they instead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
no,
we're gonna
not-
momentum. Let's get in there, man.
let's take control of this white build.
There's
I'm
one
gonna
there.
start running him over. Go kill him.
Wow. Side close.
One's in my building. Yeah.
Team just pulled up. No team just pulled up. On the
Oh,
south
her-
side, south side.
Shit.
I'll hurt him. MG3 shoot at me.
Outside right of the two-story. Nice.
2 MG3s.
Can you smoke my front door?
Yeah.
I'm second as well. I'm gonna crawl.
Yeah.
Can you open this door, Shane?
Oh, I just barely missed a
Oh,
knock.
sure.
Yeah, we need to
Do
run
I?
out after.
What?
Oh,
Do
maybe
you
not.
want that door open?
No, never
I think
mind.
we're fine actually.
Definitely not.
We got this like little thing from mine.
We're getting shot from when we go outside. Just nice.
One's
nice
in the
kill.
yellow house. I got a flash.
I knocked the. Wait, killed them.
You insted them.
One team's all
One
dead.
more
there's
team
two more
green.
teams still.
We had
Yeah,
team
I'm
right
gonna-
building.
I'm gonna util it.
Yeah, I knocked one. I didn't get my kill.
Yeah, I'm nading upstairs.
I'm just crossing.
W.
I didn't see anything.
Where these?
Glider shooting there.
Right. Down the road.
I'm getting shot from the hill.
Wait, there's the one up here.
What?
There might be a
Okay.
guy out back. He might be on the car out back.
We got yellow area.
Was that our nade in the stairs then? Oh, how that got there?
Yeah, I needed.
That was.
Oh,
Oh, he's on the wall.
Guy on the right somewhere.
There's
There's
another
no.
team on the on green.
Oh,
One on
he
yellow
died
rock.
from
Nade
the
him. He's
Yeah,
Can you look at this yellow rod guy?
yeah, one sec. There's multiple.
fuck team.
Yo,
He's on this rock.
yo, what up, dude?
Self-res.
Get in, bro. Get in.
I knocked the guy on the rock on blue.
Get in my tank.
Other guy's flipping right now. He's flipping.
Still got yellow.
Maybe I should be
got out?
looting an edge.
I'll go.
One more above me as well. Like 3 on me.
I just knocked that guy on orange.
He's got a tag pack.
That was
I'm scared now.
well, I'm a teammate. That rested him.
We got a tac gamer on me.
On the yellow guy.
I don't know.
Yellow rock knock.
Too low though.
Good knock.
The guy on the TDM rock.
Yeah. There's another guy on my knock southeast of
Two
Bill.
guys there.
Dude, this entire fucking server is here. I'm knocked.
Save him.
Second knock.
No,
I'll
it's
probably
Three
flash.
guys on green.
I'm
now.
closest to you, hwinn, if you can get to me. Second
Yeah.
knock. Saving
They're
smoke.
resin up on yellow too.
Behind a tree now. Stopping an extra smoke if you need. This is fucking chaotic. Oh my
Okay,
god.
orange.
The guy knocked his green.
Bolts at me. Ain't no links.
That's the team that knocked me.
I shot
I'm
one.
just gonna clear this team on the south, hwinn. I'm just gonna run up. Oh, dead.
Nice.
Nice, bro.
One's yellow rock and one's orange rock. Two orange rock. And one's a panzer.
They
Yeah,
just
that guy's glider is going out of gas.
No, I just flipped. So
I don't know where he's at. He might like just be behind or some shit.
I think no, I think this was the team. Same team. I could be wrong,
I
but
think.
I think so.
They're
trying to
running
run
out there,
right
yeah.
now on orange.
I'm looking here.
Steltron, poor guy.
Nice
Nice.
kills. Squad what?
Squad,
Team
what?
with you. Team with you.
We got a glider.
Is there?
Yep.
Air support will be up.
Bolty and Buxham.
Just go. Just go.
Trying, bro.
Oh, guy on the rock right by us. Right on me.
Got a panzer, bro.
Oh,
He's on this yellow
got a
rock.
wrist.
I think it's a game crash or
Holy
something.
fucking shit. This guy's 1 HP up here. I'm
Dead,
dead.
bro.
I deserve death.
I wonder if you could shoot through that.
It's these little wings are.
You stole my kill, you bastard.
Hold on.
There's at least a 2-man on the south hill.
Yeah. One's higher up.
Bro.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, loud.
Oh,
Phase
far,
5
bro.
res hwinn. It'll only take a madman to do it. Gotta be the margaritas, dude. Oh, actually, this is nothing.
Wait, let me hop in. I don't think we have another car.
Surely.
Get me to the gas station or something.
I have a coupe rare.
This car is not starting.
I saw that. Dude, I hate that delay. It's so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Good res, good res.
Huge res.
Big res.
I'm running up on the boat.
Absolutely massive.
Now he's about to die to blue. hwinn?
I never die.
Yeah. Wasn't even close.
Guy in front of me running downhill. To this big rock
Oh,
on green.
I need to change that keybind. Yeah, he's on green.
Two more on the right.
Oh my god, there's a 4-man running downhill.
Yeah,
Yeah,
what the hell?
there it is. Knock, knock. They're all grouped up. They're all grouped up.
They appear to be grouped. On that rock, one more resin there. We got a UAV coming in 23 seconds.
Yes, sir.
On me.
Could be 2.
Shit on.
Yeah, we
Oh,
killed
we
Sky
killed
War.
Sky.
Yeah, meme him.
Only one up. Don't know where last is.
Good thing on that body.
Yeah, fuck, I think.
Where are you?
He's hiding.
Found him.
Insane in the memory.
Smoke me, I got a self-res. Actually, don't worry about it.
Live marks, live marks, live marks, live marks.
He's got it. He's like that.